Hi guys, Andres here. Today I am going to discuss why you need to have tamper resistant outlets rather than your standard outlets. Every new house today in the USA is required to have these outlets, along with childcare, medical facilities, preschools and other places, but unfortunately it's not the case for existing homes. As you can see, these outlets look and work the same as regular outlets, but these outlets have built-in shoulders that prevent children from inserting objects into the slots. This works a lot better than other alternatives. Always turn off the breaker feeding power to the area before you work with electricity. I am going to show you how to remove an outlet from the wall with this mock-up. First thing we need to do is remove the cover. Most outlets will have either one or sometimes two white and black wires along with one copper wire going into it. The process is the same either way. In this case we have only one black and one white wire and our copper wire going into this mock-up. The black wire is your hot, the white wire is your neutral, and your copper wire is your ground. The black wire goes on the side with the dark yellow screws, and the white wire go on the side with the super screws. And the copper wire will go around the green screw. You will have to pull pretty hard and twist the outlet side to side to remove the wires. The wires can be either inserted to the back of the outlet or looped around the screws. If you loop the wires, make sure you tighten the screws. In my case, I added a new outlet behind my TV and replaced another one. I am now installing the new outlet. All I am doing are the same steps but backwards. If you forget where the wires go, you can look at the back of the outlet where it will tell you which side is for the white or the black wire. Now, turn the power back on. Finally, I have this cool tester that I always use on my jobs. It shows me that I wired the outlet correctly. We should see two orange lights on the right side only. Now you know how to install a childproof outlet. Thank you for watching and have a good one.